कुछ समय पहले यहाँ पे एक डिस्कशन हुआ था जिसमें मैम ने कहा था कि इंडिया में टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं डेवलप होता है, राइट? एंड वन ऑफ द मेजर प्लेसेस वेयर टेक्नोलॉजी इज लैकिंग टुडे इज इन द इन्वर्टर. Government has focused a lot on to bringing panel technology into India. DCR का टेक्नोलॉजी इंडिया में लाने का बहुत प्रयत्न किया है, लेकिन इन्वर्टर एक ऐसा चीज है जिसका टेक्नोलॉजी आज तक इंडिया में किसी ने करने की कोशिश नहीं की है. मेक इन इंडिया काफी हुआ है, बट मेड इन इंडिया ये कॉन्सेप्ट आज तक इन्वर्टर में किसी ने सुना नहीं, राइट? जितने भी आप यहाँ पे रिप्रेजेंटेशन देखोगे, मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर either imported or make in India inverter. So I'm very happy to state here to everyone that we are the first company in India who has developed the whole technology in India. And as ma'am said, there are a lot of IITians who go outside. So 4 of the IIT Bombay students are the one who had come to our company, and with them, after 8 years of efforts, we have developed the whole technology here in India, right? So this is a very big achievement for India, and one of the key reasons why we call this as an achievement is one of the most complex technology. आज अगर आप इंडिया में देखोगे क्यों कोई ये टेक्नोलॉजी बनाना नहीं चाहता है, इज बिकॉज इट्स वन ऑफ द मोस्ट कॉम्प्लेक्स. आपको ग्रिड के साथ कनेक्ट करना है, उसको सिंक्रोनाइज करना है उसके फ्रीक्वेंसी के साथ. इट इज नॉट अ इजी जॉब, right? So it's one of the most complex technologies today in India, and we have successfully done it after 8 years, right? Now, how many of them have heard our company name called Selec Controls? कितने जन ने सुना है? Just if you could raise the hands. Right. Probably we are very new here to this market. So just to give you an overview about Selec, we are a 35 years old company. We are serving Indian industry since last 35 years. If you see our product portfolio, we have over 4,000 plus products, right? And we have white labeling partners to almost 150 plus brands across Europe, European country. So वी आर अ टेक्नोलॉजी पावर हाउस इन इंडिया. आप टेक्नोलॉजीज जिसका नाम कभी इंडिया में सुने नहीं रहेंगे, वो टेक्नोलॉजीज हमने इंडिया में डेवलप किया है. वी वर द वेरी फर्स्ट कंपनी इन इंडिया टू ब्रिंग आउट पैनल मल्टीफंक्शन पैनल मीटर्स विथ अ एलसीडी डिस्प्ले. उसके पहले जितने भी जन थे सब एलईडी डिस्प्ले के साथ थे. वी वर द फर्स्ट कंपनी. सेकेंड, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स को प्लास्टिक्स में लाने के लिए सबसे पहले जिसने ट्राई किया था, प्रयत्न किया था, वो सेलेक्ट कंट्रोल्स था. सो आप अगर आज टाइमर्स देखोगे आपके फैक्ट्री में, 100% आपको एक सेलेक्ट का प्रोडक्ट जरूर वहां पे मिलेगा, राइट? थर्ड इज वीएफडी टेक्नोलॉजी. आज वीएफडी सब जगह बिकते हैं, लेकिन टेक्नोलॉजी इंपोर्टेड है इधर चाइना से या यूरोप से. अगेन वी आर द फर्स्ट वन बिकॉज हमने इन्वर्टर टेक्नोलॉजी बनाया. आप देखिए एक टेक्नोलॉजी बनाने से देश को कितना फायदा होता है, राइट? हमने इन्वर्टर का टेक्नोलॉजी बनाया. व्हाट इज इन्वर्टर टेक्नोलॉजी? अगर हम समझने में जाए तो बेसिकली इट इज अ कन्वर्जन ऑफ A power to B power, that is your DC to AC or DC to DC. That is what is the technology, right? So वो टेक्नोलॉजी यूज करके हमने आज ड्राइव्स का टेक्नोलॉजी पूरा इंडिया में सेटअप किया है, VFDs. सेकेंड है पावर क्वालिटी सॉल्यूशन, जिसको हम ASVG और AHF बोलते हैं इंडिया में. ये टेक्नोलॉजी हमने खड़ा किया है. थर्ड इज स्टैटिक वोल्टेज रेगुलेटर्स विथ यूजिंग IGBT. ये हमने इंडिया में खुद डेवलप किया है. एंड फोर्थ इज solar inverters. So if you see the product portfolio, it is almost more than 4,000 different varieties of products that we manufacture today. Now to talk more about our company, it is better I show you a corporate video where you see the complete the process, how we do the complete development. So I'd request the team to please play the video. So volume कम रखना. So we have a R&D building with 350 plus R&D engineers coming from IIT with MTech, PhD and BTech background. So these are our offices in India, and we export to 72 plus countries as on date. This is what we were in Navi Mumbai in 2003, when we started in 2003 in Navi Mumbai, and this is what we are today. The same location, Navi Mumbai, within a vicinity of 2 kilometers, these are all our plants. This completely government recognized R&D center, what we have in Navi Mumbai. And you can see the products. This is solar inverter PCB, which we have ourselves done the whole layout engineering. The mechanical is done in-house. We have our own laboratory, which is enable aggregated for complete EMI, EMC and LVD testing. This is one of our SMT manufacturing facility. So we have 14 lines of SMT manufacturing. All the latest machines we are using basically from Fuji. So this is possible when you have the whole control over the BOM. That is when you can do the SMT technology. And after every SMT, we have completely optical inspection in our plant. This is our solar inverter assembly plant. After the SMT is done, then you start with the assembly process. So पहले होता है stuffing का process, जिसमें components को stuff किया जाता है एक line पे. ये पूरे stuffing के line है. Every person 3-4 components stuff करते हैं, and then you have the wave soldering. So the soldering is again totally automated. What you're seeing here. Again जो jigs ये सब आप देख रहे हो, this is also done by Indian engineers only. This is not outsourced. All the testing systems that you see, they are all done by Indian engineers. We have not purchased a single product from any other country. This is the conformal coating process. Once the PCB is tested and the software is put inside it, then it goes for conformal coating. And then starts the assembly of the inverter, where it gets converted into a proper solar inverter. So we have 8 lines of assembly right now, and we are expanding it further. So the heatsink, the inductor cups and the PCB are wired together. And after that, every product undergoes the HV testing, 4 kV HV testing. And then you have the 80 automated testing equipments. Again, these are developed by our own engineers. This is not something that we have purchased from anywhere. Again, these are all heat run setups. You can see Selec PLCs on it. They are again developed in-house by our engineers. These are GSM and Wi-Fi modules. Again, the whole technology is written by us. The whole production setup is done by our own engineers. And final inspection, the packing. Now again, the backward engineering, the reverse engineering which is required, where you need to manufacture plastics and everything, the complete tool is designed by us. The tool is manufactured by us, and even the manufacturing of the plastics are done by us. So you can see the tool design and the tool manufacturing, completely in-house for us. So it's a design powerhouse basically in India that you are getting. So these are our product lines. Solar inverter, we have up to 10 kilowatt 3-phase. The PLCs, which are again our patented technologies, completely micro PLC, micro level PLCs, the lowest cost product ever available in India. The drives. Power supplies, again, we are the biggest manufacturers for Apple in USA. These are power quality solutions, including power factor controllers, voltage regulators, and active harmonic filters. The multifunction meters. They're at par with any of the European brands. You name it and they will be at par with them. They are production relays, timers, temperature controllers, and process indicators. All the process going into process industries majorly. These are the certifications that we have, and in fact, the last one that you are seeing, BEE, we are the first one in India to ever have the BEE. We were the first one to have it, and post us getting the BEE, government made it mandatory for all solar inverters now to have BEE. Now, just to give you a gist, what you saw just now, this is something which is a dream for a lot of companies, okay? Many multinationals who have come to India to set up manufacturing, it is a dream for them. And this is something achievable when you have the trust of a lot of youth in this country. बहुत टाइम पहले, अभी कुछ समय पहले बोला गया था कि इंजीनियर्स को बाहर जाना है, आज इंडिया में काम नहीं करना है. लेकिन अगर आपका टॉप मैनेजमेंट एक टीम को इतनी बेहतरीन तरीके से लीड कर सकता है और उनको कन्विंस कर सकता है कि इंडिया में ही इतना अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि आपको बाहर जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, तो आपको तभी जाके ऐसे कंपनी बनाने का मौका मिलता है सर. सो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा यहाँ पे जितने भी जन हैं, कभी मुंबई आना हुआ तो ज़रूर एक बार आके सेलेक्ट कंट्रोल्स विजिट कीजिए, देखिए हमारा प्रोसेस, हमारे कंपनी को देखिए, हमारे लोगों को देखिए. फ्रॉम द टॉप टू बॉटम हर एक आदमी आपको दिखेगा टेक्निकली बात करते हुए. कोई ऐसा आपको नहीं मिलेगा जो मार्केटिंग के तौर पे बात करे, राइट. सेकेंड पॉइंट, अगर आप सेलेक्ट के बारे में रियली जानना चाहते हो तो आप एक बार आंध्र प्रदेश जरूर जाइए. एक प्रोजेक्ट आया था 2 किलोवाट का वहाँ पे, एंड आप देखोगे 90% ऑफ दी विलेजेस में सेलेक्ट के इन्वर्टर्स आज लगे हुए. वी आर वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट सप्लायर्स टू गवर्नमेंट ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश for the 2 kilowatt inverters, and going forward even for 1 kilowatt inverters in India, we would be one of the largest suppliers. right? Thank you very much. To know more, we have a stall here. Please do visit us. Thank you. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you so much, Nikhil ji, for sharing the insights, and very proudly said that 8 saal lage, but they are the only made in India solar inverter brand. So can we have a huge round of applause for this?
Delivering reliable, high-performance inverter solutions that have significantly advanced and have released rooftop solar production with